Let's check out the Ayres Hotel located in Fountain Valley, California. Operate the electricity you need to insert your key card, which is not too typical for US hotels. This was a 1 king bedroom and it was quite large. It had a built-in closet, which included an extra pillow and blankets, which I love. And then this bed was so comfortable, I did not want to get out of it. Then the couch was a bit more formal and nicer than I see typically at hotels. The view is of some houses and a highway, which is actually a pretty nice view. And then the desk area was quite small, however, they did have quite a few electric outlets. And then over here, the TV was large, they had some dresser space. As we pop our way over here, there is a microwave and a fridge and a coffee maker. And the sink is located outside of the bathroom. And then in here, they do have a shower and a tub, and the tub was one of the widest and largest I've seen. This hotel room was just shy of $200, which is typical for the area. Let me know if you'd stay here.